In a biosecure lab in Cambridge, they're developing a new vaccine to fight COVID. We couldn't film inside, so scientists Peter and Andrew offered to do some filming for us. They're working long hours trying to understand the immune response to the disease. For a vaccine they hope to be testing in humans later this year. We've already seen a more infectious version of the virus emerging in the southeast of England. There are other worrying mutations in South Africa and Brazil. Away from the lab, the scientists leading this research says their vaccine is designed to mop up these new mutations as they inevitably spring up.
Our vaccine protects against the cousins and the distant relatives of SARS and SARS-CoV-2, otherwise known as COVID. So it isn't the first out of the blocks, but it has a longer usability in the future. And it hopefully will be the vaccine that will come along to make sure that new future variants will be taken care of.
Why do we need lots of different vaccines? Why not just have one that works and give it to everyone?
The major problem is the global demand is greater than any one single manufacturer can produce. So therefore we need to bring all the manufacturing capacity that we have that is different, to the fore, and every single kind of vaccine that will produce enough vaccines to meet the global need needs to come online as fast as possible.
There hasn't been much to cheer recently, but the speed that safe vaccines are being developed is a success story.
If we'd had this outbreak, say 10 years ago, would we have been able to make these vaccines that we've got today?
Unlikely. Certainly the RNA technology, which has been around for a decade or two, had not worked out all the challenges of being able to manufacture it at scale. So that is a major development, is this whole manufacturing process, a synthetic process that allows us to do it at the scale for millions and millions of doses.
Over the next few months, the Cambridge team is hoping to start the long process of testing whether the vaccine is safe and effective for humans. Richard Westcott, BBC News, Cambridge.